Hey everyone, Arash here. Remine is gone. Here's how to switch to SkySlope without losing your data. If you're a real comp agent, you've probably seen the alert. Remine Docs Plus and Pro are officially being retired. So, what now? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to migrate your data, stay compliant, and master SkySlope as your new transaction hub. Remine was easy, but with its retirement in Michigan and across the US, you must act now or risk losing valuable contact info, forms, and deal histories. SkySlope is the replacement, but only if you set it up properly. To start, log in and complete the initial setup. Activate SkySlope via your MLS login or brokerage. Complete your profile info, brokerage info, and email signature. Importing contacts. Use CSV files from Remine. Manually tag clients by type: buyer, seller, investor. Create a new file. Walkthrough of the transaction setup. Attach listing forms, contracts, and disclosures that you might use frequently. Digital signatures. Use SkySlope's DigiSign for secure, legally binding forms. If you prefer to use DocuSign, you can use that as well. There's a way to link it using the preferences in the drop-down menu. Here are some pro tips. Backup Remine Docs before August 12th. Create folders in SkySlopes so that you can use templates to save time on repetitive paperwork. Sync with your CRM or Google Drive for storage continuity. SkySlope isn't just a replacement. It's a serious upgrade if you know how to use it right. I've put together templates, cheat sheets, and even a full onboarding session to walk you through it. If you're feeling stuck transitioning from Remine to SkySlope, drop a comment below and let's book a time to get you on track. If you found this video helpful or want a deeper dive into SkySlope, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More tutorials are on the way to help you master SkySlope like a pro.